For today's lesson, you're going to need a sheet of paper, colouring pencils, and a pen. Step 1. Make a shape like this with your hand and put it down upon the paper. Draw around it. Once you have drawn around your hand, draw a line to connect the 2 points. Alien will need some tentacles with eyes on the end. Also, we'll have thick, fat tentacles like an octopus for the legs. A big, scary monster mouth. Big hands with claws on. And then some spikes. Now you're ready to start adding colour. And there you have your finished monster.